completely changing how the stairs were laid out was the biggest improvement. This is my bedroom, and it's absolutely beautiful. We opened this up for a pretty
Epic.
bathroom.
The Kelly Ventura wallpaper with the velvet green bed.
Such a pretty room. I love the Kohler farm stand sink
Oh,
area.
yeah. It's perfect.
It's so perfect. Well, at the top of the stairs of the third floor, there's this cute little bathroom in the eaves.
Yeah.
This was a fun room to design, you know. It's got two different types of tile and the nickel
ceiling.
yeah, sloped ceiling, and like there's still some brick from a chimney in here, and you put in a mosaic floor and this Tresham pedestal sink from Kohler, but it's so many like angles and things that just make it cool to be in an old home.
Yeah.
You know you're in an old home.
Yeah,
when you're
it
in a
feels
room
like an
this.
attic.
Okay, this sweet little room.
I love a dormer bedroom. I think it's so cute.
And the granddaughters love this room. With so many boy cousins.
Yeah.
They have their little room. But with these tiny little cafe curtains. The gable and the wallpaper and the antique bed. All of it.
Yeah. It's precious.
It's just precious. And you know, here's another thing that's interesting about construction is that the air conditioning system requires trunk lines.
Yeah.
And so we had to build all these bench seats in to be able to make room for the trunk lines. But like, look at them, they're so cute now.
They add actually a good architectural element.
Yeah, they do.
And then this is the last ensuite of the house.
Okay, this ensuite bedroom has this gable that is just pretty amazing. The house actually had a pretty massive fire in the 90s. And so the structure of it was all built again, but it was just like raw lumber everywhere. So we clad like the big beams in oak. And here's another one of the bench seats for the trunk line. But there's a fun story behind that window. Do you remember? Outside, I was looking at the guys that were tuck pointing, and I saw this beautiful window outside, and I knew I'd never seen it inside.
Yeah.
And sure enough, I came in and there was drywall over it.
Yeah.
And the window was a mess. They probably just were like, we're not fixing that.
Yeah.
But it was worth fixing. Just such classic design elements for this era home. And this is a fun thing too.
Yeah.
That's another storm window, I think from a basement window, but there's a bathroom there.
With no light.
Right.
No
completely
natural
interior.
light. Yeah.
But now with that, there's the privacy of it being high, but natural light into the room. It's pretty cool. Should we take a look at that bathroom? Yeah, this room actually became so much better because the door used to be right here, and moving it to here made a spot for the bed to go on, and made it kind of like a private way in from the hall. And it has a room for a big vanity and a really nice shower, and then natural light from that window. And the original mirror that was the inspiration for our mirror collection.
Yeah, and that one's called the Madison, isn't it?
We call this one the Madison.
Perfect.
That's right.
I love it. Now we got to show the living room part, which is so cute.
And then actually these doors were salvaged from downstairs, and it's kind of funny because they don't really match, but they're close enough to be a set.
I've never noticed, so there you go.
A little
Reading area, yeah.
And then this is the front of the house, and such a pretty room. I mean, we've actually over the years used this for lots of different things, but it's kind of like an upstairs family room for the people that are staying here. And then I will never forget, Grace, a couple years ago when you had that idea to make this closet into a little nook room.
A little nookie bedroom, yeah. And every grandkid fights over being in that room.
It's true. And it's so cute.
And then there's a whole dining area.
Right. first of all, Eden green
Yeah.
on the cabinetry.
From cabinetry is perfect up
So
here.
pretty. And just keeping the openness of this also, just a shelf here. Not a lot of cabinetry was needed. The beautiful green tile.
Yeah.
And then this architectural feature of the oval window on the north side. It's just so special.
What's up with the style of this window? Did you find a picture of that?
No, actually I didn't. When I ordered it, I assumed, I didn't
Double check.
double check. I assumed it would be the same style as the other windows that we had replicated.
Yeah.
But this came,
Okay.
and so
You embraced it. Yeah.
I loved it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not what I was expecting, but actually it's great.
I mean, like, it looks intentional. Like, I figured that you had seen an old picture of the house with that
Yeah,
in it.
it works great.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than the plexiglass that was there, I can tell you that much. But this space is just so pretty, and we've used it for so many things over the years. But again, just all the millwork that the carpenters spent so long with the nickel gap on the walls and cladding.
It does add so much to have millwork
Doesn't it,
up
though?
here. Yeah.
And then tying in the oak, with just like this shelf.
Yeah.
In little ways like that, it becomes special.
Okay, so that is 3 whole floors, a million and one decisions, and it's just really such a beautiful house.
There was so much beauty to begin with. The original architect did such a beautiful job, and it was such a, I don't know, like kind of an amazing experience going through it and bringing it back to life. It felt very redeeming. I felt during the course of the time doing it, so many parallels to life. You go through things that are rough and you become hurt
Yeah.
and damaged, and there can be healing
Yeah.
and restoration. It's a nice metaphor. I've loved living it. Yeah.
Well, let's go walk in the garden
Let's
and
do-
reminisce. Okay.
All right. Aw. Well, thank you so much for coming along with us through all 3 floors of touring my home, the Madison.
We love homes, as you can tell, and we love to show you inside them, whether it's our own personal homes or homes that we've had the pleasure of designing. So please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.